we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting, related and most often mispronounced words as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This designates a specific position or role in volleyball, but also in soccer. Now, this is a word of Italian origin, meaning free. For reference, in Italian, this is said as libero, libero. Therefore, in English, this is usually pronounced as libero, libero, or sometimes in American English more as libero, libero, or libero, libero. All of this from Italian, libero. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.